way too slow, kindly let me know. Right, we go to have half an hour towards the end for question answer session. So in case it is very urgent, you are all the more free to raise your hand and ask the question. If the question can wait, please have your notepads and you can write it down and I'll answer all your queries towards the end of it. So when I was given this topic, to speak about, I started to think यार बात क्या करेंगे जाके, मतलब क्या स्टूडेंट्स को तैयार करना है कि कॉर्पोरेट में क्या करना है, कैसे करना है. So while I was doing my brainstorming, there was one of the experience that came to my awareness. So this is the experience of, two of my students, जिनकी कहानी आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ कि जब मैं उनसे पहली बार मिली तो जिंदगी में वो कहाँ थे और उन्होंने अपनी ये जर्नी ड्यूरिंग दिस कॉलेज कैसे पूरी करी और where did they land up into. And more than their story, likewise every story needs to have a learning out of it. What did I learn out of it? मेरे लिए वो learnings बहुत profound है और मैं आपके साथ सिर्फ इसलिए शेयर कर रही हूँ कि अगर आप इसमें से कोई भी learning निकाल सकते हो. So you are all free to look at it at your angle and see what learnings can you draw. So to begin this experience that I had, this is 8 years back. I was coming on my way back home and my phone started to ring. So once my phone started to ring, I took this call and this was an old colleague of mine, a very, very dear friend also who was the dean director of one of the management colleges. And she calls up and she said, Ruchika, I really need your help. मैंने कहा मेरी हेल्प बताओ किस चीज़ के लिए हेल्प चाहिए. She said, we want you to take up one of these sessions here. So मुझे मालूम था कि वो जहाँ पढ़ा रही हैं वो मेरे घर से बहुत दूर था. So I was not very keen to take up that assignment. She said, देखो इसके बिना तो ना possible नहीं हो पाएगा. I said, possible नहीं हो पाएगा तो? She said, I am in a real state of crisis. I said, state of crisis as in? She said, we've got this batch with us and the batch has some real challenges. अब मेरी प्रॉब्लम ये थी कि जो मुझे फोन कर रहा था ना, शी इज द लेडी दैट आई लुक अप टू. अब वो मुझे फोन कर रही है मुझे ये कहने के लिए दैट शी इज लुकिंग अप टू मी. माई कंडीशन बिकेम वेरी वेरी ऑकवर्ड एज टू डू व्हाट. एक बार तो ऐसे लगा जाने दे यार, क्यों रेपुटेशन के साथ पंगा लेना है, क्या फायदा है. I had all the reasons to tell her that it is very far off from my place, and I actually told her this also. She said, okay, you do me a favor, just come for once. That's how you learn to negotiate. People learn to negotiate. You come for once, and if you really find it is very difficult for you to manage, then we'll look for another alternative. I said, ठीक है. हम भी चले गए वहाँ पे, ऐसे ही आपके जैसे छात्रगण बैठे थे वहाँ पे, and I entered the first look at the class. I started to get the vibes. कि my dear friend was trying to tell me what. कोई बात नहीं, then you begin, you maintain your momentum and you are a faculty, you cannot let go of it. And at that point in time, somebody was sitting in probably where this lady is sitting. I looked at her and while I rolled my eyes and I looked at somebody here, for a fraction of second, I just zapped up completely. I again looked here, I looked here. And the entire class started to laugh. क्योंकि क्लास को समझ में आ गया था कि हो क्या रहा है और मुझे अभी तक नहीं समझ में आ रहा था कि मेरे साथ क्या हो रहा है. So my confusion was, मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मैं क्लास को देख के इतना ज़्यादा बौखला गई हूँ कि मुझे हर जगह सेम चेहरे दिख रहे हैं. मुझे यहाँ भी वही शक्ल दिख रही है और मुझे यहाँ पर भी वही शक्ल दिख रही है. So मुझे जो दिख रहा था वो बिल्कुल ठीक दिख रहा था. What I was looking at, somebody, from the student at the back said, Madam, you're getting it right. They are identical faces. So there was a set of twins, identical twins that I was looking at. And once I looked over at those identical twins, believe you me, मुझे उस क्लास का actual challenge समझ में आ गया था. Because I was to groom them for this, to bring them, prepare them for the corporate world. Or if I look at each one of you, there's a lot that you have. I can see it. I have loads of years of experience by my side. मैं अभी देख के स्पार्क बता सकती हूँ, ठीक है. बट वो ऐसा कुछ था जहाँ मुझे कुछ समझ में ही नहीं आ रहा था कि यहाँ है तो है क्या. अगर मैं I should not be saying it, but I want to make you understand the intensity of the problem. These were 5 feet, kind of a bodice, fat, right? Fact जब हम बोलते हैं rectangle bodice, you know, बिल्कुल same, dark in complexion. और बैठने का तो ये तरीका था कि जब वो कुर्सी पे बैठी हुई थी ना, I think बहुत ही तरीके से बैठ जाए तो भी ऐसे बैठेंगे. You know, when I looked at these two girls, they were sitting like this. Now believe you me, I can change a lot of things, right? I can work upon a lot of things. But वहाँ पे कुछ होना भी तो चाहिए ना, you know, something has to be there. So at one point in time, I thought that, you know, I need to give it up because the moment I got into a conversation with them, English, very pure. Communication, भूल जाओ. Looks, physique, outlook, grooming, हर चीज़ की बात मैंने बता दी. So this was the challenge that I had in front of me. Khair, any which way, somehow, you know, the session got completed and I walked up to see my colleague friend. And she looked at my face and she could gauge it out, you know, as to what kind of an experience I have had in the class. And next to her was another faculty who was there in the cabin. So likewise, you introduced two people. So she tried to introduce me to the gentleman. She said, sir, Ruchika would be taking up, you know, with this new batch that has come in. She said, Lord save you. और मैं वही थॉट लेके बाहर आ रही थी. मुझे तो लगा किसी ने मेरे ऊपर, you know, एक स्टैम्प लगा दी कि मैं जो सोच रही हूँ वो ठीक सोच रही हूँ. And then, you know, the teen said a very beautiful thing. She said, sir, ऐसे क्यों कह रहे हो? You know, at the end of the day, you know, there are students, ठीक है? और as a faculty, ये मेरी moral responsibility है. Forget about any other thing in this planet. Why are my students here with me? क्यों हो यहाँ पर? क्योंकि शायद उस रास्ते में मैं कहीं आगे हूँ, that I can be a torch bearer. That's all about it. And how can I refuse? I would have refused, believe you me. You know, that 1 second made me shift my mind altogether. How could I refuse? I haven't seen through. It is just the outer that I am looking at it at this point in time. I should not be refusing it over that. So I did not say anything. So then the gentleman left and she asked me. I told her, you know, there is a challenge, but you know, the only thing that we can do is we can only try. You know, let's give it a try. And believe you me, my dear students, I was with them for complete 2 years. There wasn't even a single semester where I didn't teach, you know, those two girls. उनको शॉपिंग पे लेके जाने से लेकर उनको कपड़े खरीदवाने तक, उनको क्या मेकअप लगाना है, कैसे ड्रेसअप होना है, कैसे अंग्रेजी बोलना सीखना है, कैसे कम्युनिकेट करना है. Me and my colleague friend, you know, we put our heart and soul into it, you know, to the best. और हमने ऐसा क्यों किया ये आपको later on, you know, in the workshop पता चल जाएगा. And then there was this one day wherein we were almost on the, you know, 4th semester पे हम थे, and I was taking a mock interview at that point in time. Class में, have any idea about what are mock interviews?
Yes, ma'am.
So we just mock around as to it. So we were taking a mock interview. And the way these two girls performed in the mock interview, believe you me, I was completely zapped to look at them. I could not believe myself that these are the same girls, you know, who were with me 2 years back. They were doing and they were coming up with an extraordinary performance at that point in time. Questions, they were coming, the answers were so natural that was coming that there was a lot of belief in those answers. They were not fake answers, although we taught them those answers. But they really, and not one, both of them for that matter. And that was the time. That was exactly the time when I came up and told these two girls, मुझे नहीं पता कि किसका selection कहाँ पे होगा. But I can tell you this thing right away, that both of you are going to be the first one from this batch to get placed. It was difficult for everyone to believe it, right? So was probably for them also, but I don't know. I had that conviction within. और वैसे भी मेरे 32 आते हैं, you know, बोल दिया तो कथन सत्य हो ही गया वहाँ पर. खैर any which ways, थोड़े दिनों बाद placement शुरू हुई, and both these girls were shortlisted for a multinational company. So when they were shortlisted for the multinational company, both of them, along with 2-3 other, you know, classmates, had gone for this interview. So likewise, when you come back, we always take a feedback from the company as to how did our students perform. And then they said that, you know, we haven't shortlisted anyone so far. We've shortlisted that set of twins. But the problem is that as per the company policies, we can hire only one of them, because in blood relation we cannot have. And believe you me, I'm talking about a very very big multinational company at that point in time. So we were still happy कि चलो दो ही सही, दोनों में से किसी एक का तो सिलेक्शन होगा. And that was really big moment for all of us. We were really enjoying. So हर रोज whenever I used to go to the college, my only concern was किसका हुआ. And every time, madam अभी आया नहीं result, madam आया नहीं अभी result. And that was the day, I came out from the college only and I was driving back home and my phone started to ring. And she was the coordinator who was there. She said, madam, the result is out. I said, okay. So A got selected. She said, madam, you are absolutely right. But there is a good news also. I said, what is it? Madam, the company has selected both of them. I still have goosebumps thinking this. I still remember I stopped my car, at one corner and I howled and I cried probably out of happiness. मेरे लिए मुझे नहीं पता वो चीज उनके लिए क्या मायने रखती थी. एक गुरु का भी जब शिष्य कहीं जाकर अपने आप को प्रूव कर देता, दिस इज अ विक्ट्री दैट यू हैव. एंड आई जस्ट कांट स्टॉप क्राइंग. एंड इन द सेम टाइम माय डीन कॉल्ड अप. शी सेड, रुचिका, and she could make out that I am literally into my tears, and she accompanied me with her tears also. That was a kind of a victory that I had. So coming back to the thing that you want to be the first one. तो जब लोग कोशिश करते हैं ना जिंदगी में, तो भगवान रास्ते बना देता है उनके लिए. उनको कहीं ना कहीं मंजिल तक जरूर पहुंचा देता है, और जो भी मेहनत करता है उसके लिए भी रास्ता बनाता है. सो लाइकवाइज देयर वाज वन स्टूडेंट हु वाज सिलेक्टेड, राइट, लेकिन उसका अपॉइंटमेंट लेटर नहीं आया था अभी तक. So these two girls were the first one to get the appointment letters as well. So परमात्मा ने उनकी लाज नहीं रखी, मेरी भी रख ली साथ में. And there was all the air in the college that the lady did a fantastic job and of transforming both the girls. But lot of time I sit back and I reflect. मैं तो सभी बच्चों को एक जैसे पढ़ाती हूँ ना. So where did I did a superb job? मैंने superb job करी ज़्यादा. My question to all of you. Or was there something with those two girls? What is your call over it? क्या लगता है तुमको?
Their hard work.
Their hard work. No, I'm just asking, who needs to be valued more? Me as a teacher, me as a guru, or the one, who really performed? Both I completely take it. But अगर मैं आज भी सोचती हूँ ना, तो मैं तो सबको ही पढ़ा रही हूँ ना, लेकिन आउटशाइन वो दोनों के दोनों कर रही. And I continuously think over it. और मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जैसे उन्होंने being absolutely raw, they can manage to get into a big corporate house despite the fact कि उनके यहाँ के norms अलग थे, still they could get into that multinational company. तो उनमें भी उन्होंने भी वो caliber जो है वो develop किया था. And for this kind of a thing to share with you, I thought of it कि उनमें वो क्या qualities थी, ऐसा क्या किया उन्होंने अलग that they could match up to this. And that is exactly what I am here to share with you. उन दोनों बहनों में, उन दोनों ट्विन सिस्टर में वो ऐसी दो चीजें कौन सी अलग थी? सिस्टर में वो ऐसी दो चीजें कौन सी अलग थी? To begin with, उनकी जो सबसे पहली चीज जो हम सब में से अलग थी, that is called the orientation of the brain. कभी सुना है ये वर्ड? ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ द ब्रेन, कि हमारा दिमाग किस तरीके से काम करता है. आवर ब्रेन इज जब हम ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ द ब्रेन की बात करते हैं, सो इट इज इनटू 80-20 रेशो. 80 और 20 की रेशो में है. एंड इट इज सेड दैट 80% ऑफ द ऑब्स्टिकल्स दैट यू वांट टू, और प्रोबेबली यू सी इन योर ग्रोथ सर्कल, वो सारी की सारी ऑब्स्टिकल्स जो है ना, वो आपके दिमाग में होती हैं. It is not difficult to overcome physical challenges. What is difficult to overcome are mental challenges. अरुणिमा सिंह का नाम सुना है किसी ने? She climbed Mount Everest. अब किसी को याद आया हो? ओके, शी वॉज अ वेरी फेमस स्पोर्ट्स पर्सनालिटी, और एक दिन वो अपने घर वापस आ रही थी जहाँ पे ट्रेन में उनके साथ चेन स्नैचिंग हुई एंड शी वॉज थ्रोन आउट फ्रॉम द ट्रेन. सो हर लेग गॉट एम्पुटेटेड और उसको कीड़ों ने खाया रात भर. फाइनली शी वॉज लेफ्ट विद ओनली वन लेग. और ये उनका कहना है कि उस हॉस्पिटल के बेड पर उन्होंने लेटे लेटे ये बात सोच ली थी कि अब जिंदगी में कुछ बड़ा करके दिखाना है. एंड शी मैनेज टू क्लाइंब माउंट एवरेस्ट with that amputated feet. So physical barriers का या physical obstacles के तो कोई मायने ही नहीं रह गए ना आज के टाइम में. आप लोगों को देखो कितनी अच्छी अच्छी पेंटिंग्स उन्होंने बना दी है. लोग हाथ से बना, छोड़ो पैरों से बना रहे हैं. कोई देख नहीं सकता तो वो गा रहा है. Physical barriers are no barriers, but the biggest barrier that we all come across is mental barriers. जब मेरा दिमाग कहता है ना नहीं, तो उसके आगे कोई हाँ नहीं. बट ये फिजिकल बैरियर्स अगर हम ओवरकम कर सकते हैं तो ये मेंटल बैरियर्स आते कहाँ से? एनी आइडिया वेयर डू वी गेट दीज मेंटल बैरियर्स फ्रॉम? मोटिवेशन से बैरियर्स हट सकते हैं मेरे बच्चे. आते कहाँ से? सराउंडिंग्स, एनवायरमेंट. वेयर डू वी गेट इट? सोसाइटी. बट रूट कॉज कहाँ है? Negative root cause. Societal pressure. Very good. Root cause. Root cause of this lies into our childhood. कहीं ना कहीं इनका रूट कॉज जो है ना वो हमारे बचपन में है. And there are two important concepts when we talk about this barriers. एक होता है सेल्फ इमेज. लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं? तू नालायक है, तूने कुछ नहीं करना, तूने इस बारी भी फेल ही होना है, नाम डुबो के ही मानी हो. ठीक है. सो वी लॉट ऑफ टाइम वी हियर ऑल दीज थिंग्स. सो दिस हैम्पर्स आवर सेल्फ इमेज. हमको हमेशा ऐसा लगता है कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या, वी ऑल थिंक लाइक दिस ना, कि लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं, लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं, लोग मेरे बारे में क्या सोच रहे हैं. सो दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ द पास्ट. और दूसरी चीज होती है जिसे हम कहते हैं सेल्फ एस्टीम. लोग मेरे बारे में क्या नहीं सोच रहे, मैं अपने बारे में क्या सोच रहा हूँ, मैं अपने आप का कितना फेवरेट हूँ, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो होता क्या है कि पहले तो लोगों को लगता है कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है. थोड़े टाइम बाद आपको खुद को भी यही लगने लग जाता है कि आप कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो योर सेल्फ इमेज गोज फॉर अ टॉस एंड देन योर सेल्फ एस्टीम गोज फॉर अ टॉस. और जब ये दोनों चीजें गोज फॉर अ टॉस तो हमारी जिंदगी में चैलेंजेस को लेने की जो पावर होती है ना वो हिल जाती है. The way we look at challenges in our life, that gets disrupted completely. So to make this point more clear, once there was a balloon seller who was selling balloons. So he was selling all different kind of balloons, red, blue, green, orange, purple. So there was this one girl who was standing at one corner and watching that balloon seller, sell all these different colors of balloon. So this girl walks up to the balloon seller and checks the balloon seller in case he has a black color balloon. So the balloon seller started to laugh and he generally asked the question, I do have a black color balloon, but then why do you need a black color balloon? She said, I need a black color balloon because, I want to check whether the black color balloon will go high in the sky or not, like every other balloon, because he was selling helium filled balloons. Gas ke gubare bech raha tha. So the balloon seller again started to laugh and he said, my dear child, it is not about the outer, it is not about the color. The color doesn't matter, the outer doesn't matter. What matters is what is filled inside. What will take you high in life is decided by what you have inside. So जिंदगी में ऊपर जाना चाहते हो, अगर गोल्स अकम्प्लिश करना चाहते हो, तो जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट है as to how you look at your challenges has to be very very clear. Your self image, your self esteem really need to speak very high for you, and this concept is called attitude. इसे बोलते हैं attitude. सुना है ये वर्ड कभी?
Yes ma'am.
ठीक है. अब एटीट्यूड की बात करें तो ये एक वो चीज है जो हमें जिंदगी में ऊपर या नीचे लेके जा सकती है. डू यू अग्री दैट?
Yes, ma'am.
यू कम अक्रॉस अ चैलेंज, आपने कोई चैलेंज देखा, अब आपका दिमाग आपको दो सिग्नल देगा. सबसे पहले तो कहेगा छोड़ दे, छोड़ यार, दफा कर, क्या करना है, चल आगे चल, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला, एक ही तो है, हाउ डज इट मैटर, डजंट मैटर. सो यू काइंड ऑफ ड्रॉप इट. एक छोटी सी आवाज होती है कहीं पीछे से हल्की सी आती है, कोशिश तो करते हैं, उसको भी हम चुप करा देते हैं. सो दिस इज हाउ यू नो द एटीट्यूड. अब मैं जैसे एक्शन, मेरे थॉट्स हैं वैसे ही मेरे एक्शन होंगे. अगर मैं यही सोच रहा हूँ कि छोड़ दे छोड़ दे छोड़ दे, तो मैं छोड़ दूंगा तो क्या मैं विल आई बी समवेयर एल्स? No, I will not be somewhere else. So attitude is very very important. अगर अरुणिमा सिन्हा ने भी ऊपर जाके अगर माउंट एवरेस्ट क्लाइम कर लिया तो किस तरीके से क्लाइम किया होगा? She had that kind of an attitude, na? She had a bigger challenge right in front of her, but then she still had that kind of a thing that I'm going to climb this Mount Everest. So was true with these students as well. They knew they had nothing. They had nothing by their side, but there was one thing that they was very very clear about, and that was learner's attitude. वो सीखने के लिए तैयार थी, और जब वो सीखने के लिए तैयार थी ना, तो हर एक चीज ने बैक साइड ले ली थी. सो इट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू हैव द राइट एटीट्यूड एट प्लेस. और अगर एटीट्यूड की बात करें तो हमारे में तो एटीट्यूड इतना है कि जब हम पैदा हुए थे तभी हमने 2 साल तक किसी से बात नहीं करी थी. ठीक है, तो अब की तो क्या बात करें. एटीट्यूड तो एक रिक्शे वाले में भी है ना, भैया चलेंगे नहीं. सो व्हाट इज इट? एटीट्यूड ही तो है. दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज नथिंग एल्स बट एटीट्यूड. सो दिस इज एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंस. आप यहाँ पर आए हो, यू नो, नाउ यू विल बी टेकन आउट फॉर इंडस्ट्रियल विजिट्स. ठीक है, छोड़ना, आज कहीं पिक्चर देखने चलते हैं. 2 साल बाद तो थिएटर खुले हैं, चल 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 चल. अरे हम 2 नहीं जाएंगे तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा? कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, चल ठीक है. अपना तो जा ही रहते, दूसरे वाले को साथ लेके चला गया. या मैडम ने बड़ी मेहनत कर कुड़ के किसी तरीके से आप लोगों के इंटरव्यूज कैंपस में अरेंज कराए, यू नो, बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज में. मैडम प्लीज, सैलरी पैकेज बहुत कम है, यू नो, मैंने यहाँ पे नहीं मैडम, ये वाला नहीं. ओ मैडम, ओ लोकेशन पता कितनी दूर है, मैं कैसे जाऊंगा, मैं वापस कैसे आऊंगी मैडम रात को इतनी. हाँ, सो ये भी तो एटीट्यूड ही है ना, और क्या है. मैडम आई विल लाइक टू ट्राई सम मोर, यू नो, थोड़ा सा और ट्राई कर लेते हैं. लेट मी गो इन एंड गिव इंटरव्यू इन कपल ऑफ मोर कंपनीज ऑल्सो, प्रोबेबली आई हैव अ बेटर ऑप्शन, राइट. ये भी एटीट्यूड ही है. और एक और ब्यूटीफुल एटीट्यूड है, मैडम माय बॉयफ्रेंड का सिलेक्शन नहीं है. मैं अकेली नहीं, प्लीज. ये भी एटीट्यूड है. विच योर बॉयफ्रेंड विल लव इट बट टीचर विल नॉट, राइट. सो दे आर ऑल एटीट्यूड, राइट. यही कहानी खत्म नहीं होती, और बहुत है, यू नो. एटीट्यूड की कमी नहीं है हमारे अंदर. मैडम यही करने आए थे, इतनी लंबी चौड़ी कहानी सुनाई, पहले ही बता देते. यू तो लोडेड विद इट, राइट. यू लोडेड विद इट, बट देन यू हैव इट एट द राइट प्लेस और नॉट. दैट इज व्हाट माय क्वेश्चन इज. यहाँ हुआ नहीं कुछ कॉलेज में, सोशल मीडिया हैज ऑल द पावर. भाई खोल, क्या करते हैं इंस्टाग्राम पे, पेज बनाना पड़ता है नया. हाउ डू यू go and take it up on, so you have to come up with a different page altogether and then bitch about anything that you feel like, make friends with that. That is also attitude, ना. हमको ऐसे लगता है सोशल मीडिया आएगा कॉलेज का पखड़ा सुलझाने के लिए, ठीक है ना. इंस्टाग्राम से टीम आएगी यहाँ पे, yes please tell us how can we help you. ये भी एटीट्यूड है, पर इस एटीट्यूड को बोलते हैं पैसिव अग्रेसिव भी एटीट्यूड. पैसिव अग्रेसिव का मतलब कि जहां मुझे बोलना है वहां तो मेरे में हिम्मत नहीं है, ठीक है, और बाकी दुनिया को मैं जाके बताऊंगा. ठीक है, अगर घर में कभी कोई गुस्सा कर दे, या क्लास में टीचर डांट दे, या कल को अगर किसी ने यहाँ जॉब करी हुई है, कभी बॉस ने डांट दिया हो या कुछ कह दिया हो, गर्मा गर्मी हो गई हो, तो जिसमें जिगरा है ना उसको फेस करने का, दैट इज असर्टिव बिहेवियर. But otherwise, what is a passive behavior? Passive behavior is that you will not say anything at that point in time, and then you roam around in the entire office and you will ensure that you talk to each and every individual and tell him, ऐसे करा, ऐसे करा, ऐसे करा, ऐसे करा. ये भी तो एटीट्यूड ही है. एक बात बताओ, अगर कॉलेज प्रॉब्लम जो है वो कॉलेज के साथ है, तो उसका समाधान इंस्टाग्राम निकालेगा? तो फिर हम ऐसे काम करते क्यों हैं? What kind of an attitude is this? और अब तो हमने कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिया है, ठीक है, पैसे हमने कॉलेज को दे दिए, अब कॉलेज वही करेगा जो मैं करूं. हंसने की जरूरत नहीं है, जो मैं कहूंगी, ठीक है। अब मुझे कुछ नहीं पसंद, ठीक है। सबसे पहले तो यू नो माई सेल्फ इमेज इज लो, माई सेल्फ एस्टीम इज लो, मैं अपने आप को ही नहीं पसंद सबसे पहले तो, ठीक है। उसके बाद मुझे ये साथ वाला नहीं पसंद, डोंट टेक इट पर्सनली। मुझे साथ वाला नहीं पसंद, मुझे क्लासरूम नहीं पसंद, मुझे ये एसी की हवा नहीं पसंद, मुझे ये पंखा नहीं पसंद, मुझे ये फैकल्टी नहीं पसंद, ठीक है। मुझे बाहर का एनवायरनमेंट नहीं पसंद, मुझे कैंपस नहीं पसंद, मुझे ये नहीं पसंद, मुझे वो नहीं पसंद, एंड देन वी कंटिन्यू टू कंप्लेन फॉर एवरीथिंग एंड एनीथिंग दैट वी हैव. We are a bundle of complaints. Do you think when you have a problem mindset, you know, or you are operating from a kind of an attitude which could only look into problems, इसके कोई मायने भी हैं? क्या करोगे वहां जाके भी ये बोलोगे, ये नहीं, इसके साथ काम नहीं करूंगा, वो वाली किस्सा करोगे? सर किसने बनाया आपको बॉस? नो, somebody else, right? ये टाइम नहीं सर, प्लीज। मैं सुबह रात को मैं बिंज वॉचिंग कर रहा था, मैं सुबह उठा नहीं जाता, ठीक है। सो प्लीज दैट्स नॉट पॉसिबल. So it's, you know, when you are planning and you're thinking of going into the corporate, you have to prepare yourself accordingly. These kind of attitude that you have with yourself is going to backfire at you only. और किसी के ऊपर जाके वो backfire नहीं करेगा. So इसलिए क्या करने की जरूरत है? At the first place, what is needed? You need to work upon probably on your attitude. और वो कहते हैं कि नजर को बदलो तो नजारे बदल जाएंगे, सोच को बदलो तो सितारे बदल जाएंगे, कश्तियां बदलने से कुछ नहीं बदलता, दिशाओं को बदलो तो राहें बदल जाएंगे. So that is what it is. ये नहीं है, वो नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, वो नहीं, ये कॉलेज नहीं, वो टीचर नहीं, इधर नहीं, उधर नहीं. Nothing will change. You are only wasting your time. That is all about it. The girls knew, from hearts of heart, they knew that they had nothing within themselves. They were actually dealing with low self-esteem and low self-image as well. They knew the physical challenges that they had with them, but the only thing that made them victorious was what? That was the attitude that they were carrying to learn. पहले मैं सीखूं तो सही, पहले मैं तैयार तो हूं किसी चीज के लिए. That is how I'm going to go here. So क्या लगता है, हमको attitude बदलने की जरूरत है?
Yes, ma'am.
So is there, what are the rules to work upon your attitude? Okay, पहले तो ये बताओ कि मुझे आज भी ऐसा लगता है, 22 सालों बाद भी या 45 सालों बाद for that matter, that there are still couple of things that I need to work upon. Anybody here who's with me जिसको लगता हो कि नहीं मुझे भी अपने attitude पे work upon करने की जरूरत है? Okay, we have. थोड़ा हाथ ऊपर कर लेंगे, कुछ छुपा रहे हैं, मुझे दिख नहीं रहा. Am I clear to both? No. Is my language clear to both of you?
Can you speak it in English, ma'am? This one.
What Christmas are you waiting for, Jenny? Say, Babu, say what?
The problem is.
I'm not saying that it is, but you know, how would you learn to speak for yourself? That's my fault. I mean, if I would have not asked this question, the presentation would have gone like that. Are you gauging? Are you able to get what I am? So you should have told me that you don't know. I can speak English, no?
Ma'am, just the proper thing you said in Hindi, that is the one I can't able to understand.
Okay, otherwise
Otherwise, I can understand.
Okay. Pakka na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So they say that when you नजर को बदलो नजारे बदल जाएंगे. नजर as in when you look, the way you look at things. If you change that, the entire external will change for you. So सोच को बदलो सितारे बदल जाएंगे. If you change the way you think, your stars will start to change. कश्तियां बदलने से कुछ नहीं बदलता. You know, you keep hopping from one to other, two, three, you know, not this, not that. Nothing will change, right? दिशाओं को बदलो, किनारे बदल जाएंगे. What you need to do is you need to change the direction. And that's how you will achieve your goals. Probably a lot of time you're not working, you know, in the right direction. So my next question to each one of them was that I still feel that, you know, I need to work upon my attitude where everybody raised their hands. So I come back to the same question again. Who all feels that, you know, we need to work on our attitude? Okay, so good enough. So the next thing, how do we work upon this attitude? कैसे work upon करते हैं?
Think positively.
Think positive.
Okay, think positively. What do you mean by think positively? I've heard this word umpteen number of times, but what do we understand by think positively? Yes.
Not bitching about others.
Not bitching about others. Okay,
If
that
you
is
get-
thinking positive. Okay.
If you get a challenge, try to solve it, not to run away from it.
Very good.
And there's a saying as well that if you just say that I can do it, the half job is done.
Half job is done. Okay. So over the years, you know what I have learned for myself is, you know, it's not very difficult to change your attitude. Believe you me. It is actually not. If you could just work upon these two things, that would really take you very far in life. This is something that I have done for myself. The first thing is start to look at the brightest side of the picture. That is exactly what you are trying to say. You know, in life, anything you come across, you know, there will always be two sides to look at it. जो नहीं है उसको भूल जाओ. हमारा सारा वक्त जो है ना वो इसी बात में, या तो हम एक दूसरे को कंपेयर करते रहते हैं, इसके पास ये है मेरे पास नहीं है. अरे भैया, जो उसके पास है वो उसके पास है ना. Why are you comparing yourself with him? You are not him, no? तुम वो थोड़ी ना हो, तुम्हारी अपनी जर्नी है. मैं उसके साथ अपने आप को कंपेयर कर ही क्यों रहा हूं जब मैं वो हूं ही नहीं. I am somebody absolutely different. I should only look at to someone and get inspired to be better. That's all about it. Rest, it is my journey. I have to ask my question what I was yesterday and what I am today. If even I am 1% better, then I am on the right path. That's all about it. So start looking at the brighter side of the picture. What can be done? You know, if you want to go into corporates and work into corporates, they will love to have people who are solution oriented. Become solution oriented. Problem to anybody would come and say. The marketing team comes, this is the problem. If we take madam, you know, the head, he comes, madam, this is the problem with the washroom. He comes, he said, madam, this is the problem with the faculty. He comes, madam, this is the problem with that girl. He comes, madam, this is the problem I had with him. So get it. What is the solution? In case you're going, you know, have solution handy. What possibly could be done? Have that kind of a mindset. And if you can only bring this kind of a shift, from being problem oriented to be solution oriented, or start to look at the brighter side of the picture, half of the job is going to get done. And the rest half, in case you want to have the power of the universe, then the simplest thing that you have to do is practice gratitude. शुक्र मनाना सीख जाओ. You know, I've read it somewhere. I always used to complain कि मेरे पास जूते नहीं है. I used to complain that I don't have good shoes. Till the time I look at somebody who did not have both the feet. तो जरूरी तो नहीं है ना कि जिंदगी मुझे कोई बहुत टफ पार्ट दिखाए तब जाके मेरी कहीं आंखें खुले. So have gratitude. Believe you me, gratitude is the only thing to have most and more in life. We complain. You know, you put complaint out in the universe multiplied it 100 times and gives it back to you. So if you put across gratitude in the universe, it will multiply it into 100 times and it will come back to you. So this is the power of changing in attitude. You think you'll be able to practice these two things?
Yes.
Pakka?
Yes.
Okay, amongst the partners. Have a partner for yourself. Lady, yours is last. Or amongst yourself. Corner. Right? Amongst yourself. Look at each other. Look at me. Look at each other as in look at each other, yaar. Look at each other. बात ही नहीं करने को बोला. Okay. So, what are you going to tell your partner? Huh? What?
Change your face. Just change your face.
Gentlemen, what do you mean when you said change your face? Look, jokes are very good, but then in case they're the appropriate ones. We're talking of a very intense topic like attitude here. And when in case somebody comes up with this kind of a thing, I don't know what needs to be said the next. Right? Okay, so look at the partner, whosoever is there for you, and you tell that partner that you're going to look at the brighter side of the picture from today. I will look at the brighter side of the picture from today. Look into the eyes of the person again. Look into the eyes of the person again, and this time, very beautifully you're doing. Very, very beautifully. And this time tell them that I'll try and practice gratitude. I'll try and practice gratitude. I'll try and practice gratitude. So all those who mean it is very visible and evident with the kind of the intensity that you are giving. Okay, so this is, you remember when we started with the orientation of the brain, we said the 80% kind of a thing. So 80% of the obstacles lies within us, and this is the self-image and self-esteem kind of a concept. So when we talk about the rest 20%, these are the obstacles which lies outside you. This is something that you need to overcome to achieve your goals. And it is said that it is actually one major skill that you need to possess to be there where you want to be. And there's a very, very magical question that you can ask yourself to identify, what is that one skill that you need to change. The moment I'll speak my sentence, see if something pops out in the mind. What is that one skill that I need to work upon to achieve my goals? What is that one thing? वो ऐसी कौन सी एक स्किल है जिस पर मुझे वर्क अपॉन करना है अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए? It is just for yourself. It is just for yourself. It is going to be a different answer for each one of you, right? So this is, what the role the attitude plays. If you want to get into the corporate world, it is very important that you have your attitude at place. क्योंकि corporates जो आज के टाइम में somebody who's going to give you, whatever X salary you were thinking of, you have to really be prepared for it, right? So attitude was the first thing that where these two girls were very, very different. They were ready to take up any challenge that was thrown to them. While going further, it reminded me of another experience with these two girls. Ek din we were in a part of a grooming class. So I take grooming sessions also. So we were doing a grooming session, and as a part of instruction, I told these two girls that, tomorrow the makeup part has to be done. Now poor girls as in they've never ever used makeup. They were that raw that they have never. So one of them asked, madam, what needs to be put upon, right? So I said, you just put an eyeliner and do your nails, put some nail paint. Here also the important thing is where others were nagging about not this, not that, the girls had that kind of an attitude, okay. ठीक है? So करना क्या है? ये करना है, ठीक है. Learner's attitude that we are going to do this and come. And the next time, when they came in the class, Ramlila देखिए. So this is what they were up to. One had eyeliner, I don't know where. Somewhere over the eyelid. The other one tried probably a wing eyeliner. Don't ask me. And they were with that kind of an eyeliner in the class. And then they had the audacity to come up to me and said, madam, is my nail paint all okay? Girls might be knowing it better. वैसे तो लड़कों को भी पता होगा. कभी होता है ना ड्राई नेल पेंट हो जाता है, हम उसको लगा लेते हैं, फिर हाथ इधर उधर कहीं लग जाता है, and it gets spoiled. So think that somebody has put in a nail paint and then probably once it was about to dry and then you've done something like this, and then they're checking, is this okay? So this is where those two girls were. but then there was something which was very, very different in them, the learner's attitude, and then they were ready to take up anything. They will never come up with excuses. They had that kind of a discipline amongst themselves कि अगर मेरे टीचर ने कोई बात कह दी तो कह दी, तो अभी तो इसको मुझे करना ही करना है, चाहे वो कैसे भी करना है. How many of us has that kind of an attitude? Good. I am glad. अच्छा धीरे धीरे सारे हो गए, सारे हाथ खड़ा कर रहे हैं, लेफ्ट राइट को भी देख के हाथ खड़ा करना पड़ता है. So okay, so there is this technique called a Japanese technique, and this Japanese technique talks about a beginner's mindset. They say, you know, the kind of the energy and the enthusiasm that you have at the very first day of doing or taking up any challenge, if you can maintain that momentum till the last day, you know, of completion of your project, your success is guaranteed. Are you getting what I am trying to say?
Yes.
Right? So this is what it is. But when it comes to us, okay, look at us on the very first day and on the very last day. To begin with our notebooks, right? The very first day, the very first page that we wrote, what beautiful handwriting, a kind of a flow. By the time it gets, you know, in somewhere in the middle, I don't need to tell you where it is. And by the time it comes to the end, you know, register आगे से भी उतना ही भरा है और पीछे से भी उतना भरा है, right? पीछे पूरे डूडलर हुआ है, दिल बने हैं, ये बना है, तो you know, this is the kind of a discipline that we have when it comes to our notebooks. Now we have very different kind of a discipline when it comes to attendance, right? The very first day class है यार, ये है, खैर यहाँ तो the very first day has shown us a lot of things. So college ने 10 मिनट की leverage दी हुई है, so the first day we might be there on time, like a good student, right? Then the session continues to pass by, and then what happens? 10 मिनट तो college ने आज़ादी दे रखी है, 10 मिनट में अपनी तरफ से, ठीक है? मैं college आ रहा हूँ, is it not a big thing? Right? I'm coming to the college, and by the time we come to the end of the college, we need to really look at them as to where they are, you know, pull them to the college. So this is the kind of the discipline, you know, that we have. Assignment, the very first assignment that we get to do, very enthusiastic, right? Let's do it. Put in my 100%. By the time, you know, there are 2 assignments to be completed, खत्म, गुब्बारे में से हवा खत्म. And then when we have bombardment, इधर से एग्जाम है, उधर से वाइवा हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, all zapped up. So this is the kind of a discipline that we have amongst ourselves. Do you think having this kind of a discipline, we can go ahead in life? Discipline, why do you think there is an institute like this which is built up? Colleges क्यों बनाए जाते हैं? Teachers क्यों होते हैं? You know, in older days, if you have gone down the history, you know, एक गुरु और शिष्य की परंपरा होती थी, ठीक है? There used to be a guru, there used to be a shishya, and there used to be a gurukul also. So what do you think was the main core of that? Rather than teaching them and training them, what was it all about? To discipline them. That was the core thing, and that's exactly what we are trying to do here for all of you also. Because वहाँ पर भी माँ रहती तभी बन के निकले थे, ठीक है? लेकिन अब आप बोलोगे मैडम, वो गुरु पता थे कौन थे, ठीक है? बोल दो, नहीं ऐसी क्या बात है? You know, जब हम बहुत पहले, I don't know, पहले जब हम आज से बहुत साल पहले, have you seen cameras? Yes. Right? तो जब बहुत साल पहले फोटो खींचते थे ना, so ऐसे फोटो खींची जाती थी और सामने वालों को बोला जाता था स्माइल करो, right? And that's how we used to click. So जो लेंस होता था ना, वो हमेशा सामने वाले के ऊपर होता है कि सामने वाला क्या कर रहा है. और आजकल का जो जमाना है ना, वो सेल्फी का जमाना है. That means what? The lens has to be on me. बजाय कि ये कहने के कि वो टीचर क्या है या वो कैसा है, सबसे पहले तो मेरे इस बात का जवाब दो कि तुम शिष्य हो. Are you a good student? Are you disciplined enough to be called a student? If you are not disciplined enough to be called a student, what are you expecting for a faculty to do for you? Believe you me, the faculty would go outboard for you to do anything that you need. We did it for both those girls. And every faculty would do it, but then you have to show something within yourself. That is the most important thing. और गुरु के लिए तो ये कहावत है, गुरु गोविंद दोहू खड़े, काको लागे पाए, बलिहारी गुरु आप की, जिन्हों गोविंद दियो मिलाए. What is, Kabir ji trying to say with this? That at this point in time, I look at my guru and I look at my Govind. Govind as in?
Guru Govind.
Lord, right? So my guru is here, my Lord is here. गुरु गोविंद दोहू खड़े, काको लागे पाए. मैं किसके जाके पैर छूं? Where should I go and bow first? And then his wisdom says, बलिहारी गुरु आप की, जिन्हों गोविंद दियो मिलाए. I am thankful to you, my guru, who has shown me the path, to have my mentor. Right? Now when we talk about this, as you as individuals, guru is a, and गोविंद की जब हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो जो गोविंद है, जो लॉर्ड है, वो यहाँ पे एक मेटाफर है. आपके और आपके जो गोविंद है वो एक मेटाफर है. कोई है जो वो मेटाफर आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है? बलिहारी गुरु आपकी, जिन्हों गोविंद दियो मिलाए. किससे मिला सकता है गुरु आपको? भगवान से. भगवान एक मेटाफर है. आपको यहाँ पे भगवान से मिलना है? No, I get that. That is a saying. Absolutely, bang on, lady. So the guru is a link in between you and your goals. It is only guru who can help you. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम बिना गुरु के वहां तक नहीं पहुंच सकते. जरूर पहुंच सकते हैं, लेकिन वो जो जर्नी है ना, वो बहुत लंबी हो जाएगी, बहुत लंबी, और पता नहीं शायद वो जर्नी कब खत्म होगी. So this is very, very important that you identify yourself as to what do you want to achieve. कितने लोगों को क्लियर है कि वो जिंदगी में चाहते क्या है? What do you want to achieve in your life? और लेफ्ट राइट देख लो. So देखो, जो क्लियर होते हैं ना, वो एक ही बारी में हाथ ऊपर दिखा देते हैं. So this is what a guru can do for you. So you have to be very, very clear as to what is the goal that you have for yourself. Now when we talk about goals, what actually happens is, this is my goal. ठीक है? और ये एक पेरिफेरी होती है, और ये मैं. मेरे और मेरे गोल के बीच में एक पेरिफेरी है. इस पेरिफेरी को डिस्ट्रैक्शंस कहते हैं, जो यहाँ पर आके एंडलेस होने वाली है. एवरी डे यू विल कम अक्रॉस दीज डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हियर. नाउ हाउ बैडली यू वांट योर गोल इज व्हाट विल डिसाइड योर पाथ. और वो ही डिसिप्लिन लाने की जरूरत है. इट इज गोइंग टू बी एन एवरीडे प्रैक्टिस दैट योर फ्रेंड विल टेल यू, लेट्स स्किप दिस क्लास एंड लेट्स गो आउट. राइट? छोड़ना यार, एक दिन के अटेंडेंस से क्या फर्क है, एक दिन के इससे क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है? फर्क पड़ता है. हर एक दिन, हर एक छोटी चीज से भी फर्क पड़ता है. सो वेयर हाई विल यू गो इन योर लाइफ, योर पेरिफेरी विल डिसाइड. एक बार किसी से ये पूछा गया कि गोल्स को अचीव कैसे करना है. what was the answer? The answer was that every day you have to work in the direction of achieving your goals. In the next 2 years, you're going to be loaded with distractions out here. Now, how much momentum you can maintain would actually help you reach to your goal, which is a corporate house. The college can give you any job which is between 4 lakhs to 18 lakhs, right? That is the scope that we have here for all of you. But the thing is, how much do you work upon your distractions, or how much do you discipline yourself? You have to discipline. You know, ये तुम्हारी उम्र है यार, मस्ती करो, घूमो फिरो, ऐश करो, सब कुछ करो, but not at the cost of your career altogether. Be very very clear. अगर आज मैं ये बात सोच लूँ कि मैं assignment नहीं, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों नहीं, you know, this would turn into a habit. I am going to do and practice the same thing once I get into a corporate house also. If I don't turn up here at 10 o'clock or whatever is the time that I have my class, what is the assurance that tomorrow, you know, I'll show up in the office? I am not used to. I'll find everything difficult. So this is the time for you. These are the 2 years that you have by your side to work upon yourself, to achieve your goals. And जिस दिन से यहाँ आना शुरू हो जाओगे ना, ये अपनी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस को और अपने डिसिप्लिन को याद रख लेना. अगर तो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस हावी हो गई तो भी तुम्हें पता है कि तुम कहाँ पहुंचोगे, और अगर डिसिप्लिन हावी हो गया तो भी तुम्हें पता है तुम कहाँ पहुंचोगे. देखो, माँ बाप ने ना, you know, you must be lucky lot that your parents can afford to spend, you know, easily or by difficulty. You are the lucky ones who are sitting here today, and it is their hard-earned money that is going into it. अभी तक तो you know मजाक चल रहा था, स्कूल में आ गए 70% चल गया, कोई नहीं, अभी 3 साल कॉलेज के पढ़े हैं, सब कुछ कर लेंगे. अगर अब प्रूव नहीं किया ना अपने आप को, this is the last opportunity that you have by your side these 2 years. If you don't prove yourself at this point in time, believe you me, घर वाले भी भिगो के मारेंगे. So get into a kind of a discipline for yourself. बट होता क्या है, जब भी हम अपनी लाइफ को डिसिप्लिन में लाने की कोशिश करते हैं या हम अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने की कोशिश करते हैं, वी समवेयर यू नो गेट लॉस्ट इन बिटवीन. ऐसा होता है कि जैसे मैं वेट लूज करने के लिए यू नो आई मेड अ गोल, सो 2 दिन 3 दिन 4 दिन 5 दिन तो चलता है, probably a month goes on and then it goes into a crash kind of a thing. Happens? Yes. Or any other goal that you make, do you come across the problem that you know you're not able to accomplish your goals? So once you're not able to accomplish your goals, then what happens? How would I erase it, brother? You know, when you set a goal, I am focusing at this point in time on the first side. You know, this is the time that you know every day you work upon. This is the result that we have. Now, what happens is you expect this to happen for yourself. This is what you think that should happen to you. You know, जिस दिन मैंने goal बनाया, I think that from the next day itself, I will start to get the results, the desired results for myself. But then that is not something that actually happens. Right? So we don't see results happen. कहीं कोई रिजल्ट दिखाई नहीं देता, कहीं कोई वजन कम नहीं हो रहा होता, कहीं कुछ अकम्प्लिश नहीं हो रहा होता, और कहीं ना कहीं you know we start to get disappointed कि यार कुछ हो तो रहा नहीं है, and then you know we drop it. So this is you know the gap between what you are expecting and what you are getting is the value of disappointment. The most difficult thing to overcome here is to you know overcome this value of disappointment. Agar if I take a cube of ice, right, and I take it into a room wherein the temperature of the room is 18 degrees, right, probably the possibility is that the ice will not melt at 18 degrees. The ice may not melt at 19, 20, 21, not even at 22 degrees, not even at 23 degrees. And all of a sudden at about 24 degrees, the ice would start to melt. Right? So what does it mean? You know, has the ice started to melt at 24 degrees only?
No, ma'am.
No, the ice was getting prepared with every degree falling to get melted. So बहुत बारी you know कल से परसों से 8 तारीख से when you start to work towards your goal, this is exactly what is going to happen. lot of time you will not be able to see results, but don't get disheartened because results will take its own time to show up. और जब वो result show up होते हैं ना, then people call it overnight success. Well, there is nothing like overnight success. You have to continuously work towards it. And there's a beautiful theory that has come up in the book called Atomic Habits, which says if you work 1% every day better to be on your path, you know, सिर्फ 8% अगर हम रोज better होना शुरू हो जाएं, so probably in 1 year we'll go up to about 37%. और अगर हम 1% से worse होना शुरू कर दें, you might probably come back to zero. So saying this के फर्क नहीं पड़ता, फर्क पड़ता है. अब नहीं कहना कि फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Every distraction that you get into is going to get counted. Every little success that you go through, whether you are able to look at it or you're not able to look at it, that's a very different story. But then this is where, you know, your growth will start. In 1 year's time, you're going to be 37% better than who you are today. और 2 सालों में सोचो कहाँ पहुँचोगे. So you have to keep working. अभी मत सोचो results आ रहे हैं कि नहीं आ रहे, because results are going to show up. You have good time. But what actually happens is when we think that, you know, we have lot of time, we think over and we sleep over our dreams. That should not be the case. If you are going to work in the corporates tomorrow, you have to be ready for this kind of a thing and this kind of a mindset. Start working on yourself each day. And that is how, you know, the success will follow. Just be better. Just be better by 1% as to what you were yesterday and what you are today. That is all that needs to be done. But problem तो ये है ना कि ये दोनों बातें जो भी कही गई हैं अभी, एटीट्यूड चेंज करने की और डिसिप्लिन में आने की, ये दोनों की दोनों चीजें, you know, ask us to go and do something very big, isn't it? Change the way we are, right? Change the lifestyle we are living into. मैं बहुत बिंज वॉचिंग कर रहा हूँ. अगर मुझे सुबह 10 बजे कॉलेज जाना है, so then, you know, I have to be there on time, I have to sleep on time. So there are lot of changes that needs to come. और चेंज के लिए तो एक बात कही जाती है that, you know, it's the most difficult thing for an individual to do is to change. चलो अच्छा है, तुम सब मानते हो कि ऐसा है. Okay, देखते हैं चेंज कितना डिफिकल्ट है. Bring your hands forward. Okay, so now on a count of 3, what you're going to do is clap your hands. 1, 2, 3. Hold it like this, right? So most of the cases somebody would have a left thumb over, किसी का left ऊपर होगा, कोई ऐसा भी है किसी का right भी ऊपर हो. Okay, so what it says is, you know, जिनका left thumb ऊपर होता है, likewise I have my left thumb up, you know, they're very very creative people. So all those who have left thumb up are very creative people. So who all are creative people? बाकियों की शक्ल देख लो, एक बार ही देख लो बस. मतलब हम नहीं है क्या क्रिएटिव है मैडम? ये तो गलत बात कर दी आपने. इतनी देर से शांति से बैठे और अब आप ऐसी बात कर लो. अच्छा, कौन है जिनका राइट थंब ऊपर है? चलो, this is good news for you also. Don't lose heart, right? So what they say is, in case your right thumb is over your left thumb, then you are very intellect, very brainy, very knowledgeable. So this is what it is for our आगे भी, you know, Tony Robinson, this is the theory that, you know, Tony Robinson has come up with. He says he goes further and he says, in case they are parallel to each other. Anyone here in the class?
No.
Are you sure?
No. Yes.
Okay. So he says, in case they are parallel to each other, then you are very very loving person. All through, you know, this while, I have never come across even a single one who said yes. Glad. You very very loving. In case this is, no wonder हम कहाँ lost हैं that we don't have that much of love. Well, that's okay. But he goes a little further also. He said that, you know, in case you want to change, right? So in case somebody is creative and wants to be an intellect, or in case you are an intellect and you want to be creative also now. So the only thing that you have to do is change it. Do it. So how does it feel now? No, it is difficult. I am not liking it. ऐसे करना क्यों है? मजा नहीं आ रहा. These, हाँ जी? थोड़ा अलग है, मजा नहीं आ रहा, अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. These are exactly the same excuses when when we are asked to change. This is exactly what we do, or these are exactly the excuses. देखो, काम करना है तो काम को करने के तरीके हजार हैं, और अगर काम नहीं करना है तो काम ना करने के बहाने हजार हैं. So this is what it is. These are the kind of excuses that we give itself. हम दुनिया को यही बोलते हैं, ये मुश्किल है, ये डिफिकल्ट है, एक दिन करते हैं, 2 दिन करते हैं, get into the valley of disappointment and then leaves it and comes out of it and start living the same life that we've been living all this while. But बिना चेंज के गति नहीं है ना. अब मैं what is your name, gentlemen? Navyuvraj. So okay, can I call you Raj? अच्छा लगता है. So okay, so where are you from, gentlemen?
Ambala City. So I travel a lot, for corporate workshop. So this was a time that he has passed out from college, he's back at probably Ambala, flourishing business and everything, or probably invites me to his company, for a training session or so, and then we get to meet each other after a very long while. And then Raj asked me, madam, how about having a cup of tea at my place? My wife would really like to meet you. My kids are going to be very happy to meet you. I said, yeah, sure, I'll come over. अब मैं राज के घर गई, and somehow, Raj's wife was not there, the children were not there, they were about to come. So Raj said, madam, I'll get you a cup of tea. Would you like to have a cup of tea? I said, yes, I would love to have a cup of tea. So Raj, in all elated state, getting to the kitchen, इसने पैन उठाया, पैन के अंदर 1 कप पानी डाला, उसमें 2 चम्मच चीनी डाली, 1 चम्मच चाय की पत्ती डाली, and then he boiled it for 2 minutes with all the alag, cookies and everything. He poured the tea into 2 cups and get over, and he said, madam, tea for you, very nicely, picks up the saucer and the cup and he offers. And the moment I have a sip, this is my kind of a reaction. So he's a very smart boy, and he was like, madam, this is something wrong. It looks like you did not like it. I said, yeah, I actually did not. He said, madam, wait. I'm going to go and make another cup of tea for yourself. Poor boy gets into the kitchen again, right? Again takes up a pan, put 1 cup of water, 1 spoon of 2 spoons of sugar, 1 spoon of tea leaves, then he puts in milk also. I'm sorry, I forgot the milk, right? He has put in the milk, right? So उसने 1 cup दूध डाला उसमें. Again he boiled it for 2 minutes. He gets it over to me, and he asked me, madam, please, I had 1 sip, and he said, how's the tea now? I don't. अच्छी नहीं बनी. He said, madam, wait, let me just try it once more time. He again gets back into the kitchen, takes up a fresh pan, put 1 cup of water, 1 spoon of tea leaves, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 cup of milk, boils it for 2 minutes, pour it into 2 cups and get it for me, and again ask, madam, चाय कैसी बनी है? तो जब तक एक प्याली चाय की तब तक अच्छी नहीं बनेगी, जब तक आप नहीं बदलेंगे. तो आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि बिना अपने आप को बदले आप अपनी जिंदगी बदल लेंगे? बदलना तो हम सब चाहते हैं, और आज से नहीं, कई सालों से बदलना चाहते हैं. पर क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या हम अपने आप को बदल पाए हैं? अब आप में से बहुत सारे लोग कहेंगे कि आपने कोशिश की थी. पहले एक बात बताइए, जो आदत आपके साथ पिछले 20 सालों से है, आपको ऐसा क्यों लगता है कि आपके पल दो पल की कोशिश आपकी उस पुरानी आदत को छोड़ देगी? आपके पल दो पल की कोशिश आपकी किसी भी पुरानी आदत को छोड़ नहीं सकती, बट आपका किया हुआ एक प्रॉमिस
आपकी जिंदगी को हमेशा के लिए बदल सकता है। और ये प्रॉमिस बॉयज एंड गर्ल्स आपको अपने सांप के साथ करना है, that in the next 2 years that you have by your side, you want to work towards your goals. You want to walk in the direction of your goals. You want to simply try and be 1% better with each passing day. You will practice gratitude and you will start to have the brighter side of the picture. Even only if you can manage to do this much, believe you me, you will be lot set. You're going to be sorted in life to get into the corporate world. Now, before I get to the end of the workshop, these are the coffee beans that you have with you. Can you just hold it in your hand? Okay. So, okay, one last final question from my side. So what do you feel now, you know, after this 1.5 hour of session? क्या लग रहा है? What are the feelings that are going in at this point?
Positivity, positive vibes.
Positive vibes. सबको एक ही ऐसा लग रहा है? Motivated. Positive vibes. What else? Confidence. To change ourselves. आजा भाई अब तो बदल के ही दिखाएंगे, right? और what else? What? हाँ? Stronger feeling is what you get. आज तो सलमान खान आ जाए कुछ में, अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, what else are the feelings? What else are the feelings? Come on. Huh?
Focused.
Focused. Very good. Okay. What else? Mental stability is what you're feeling at this point in time. What else? Clarity. Very good. What else? Okay. Now open your palm and look at the seed. देखो पेड़ बन गया. देखो किसी का तो बना होगा. इतना फोकस, इतना मोटिवेशन, इतनी क्लैरिटी, हाँ, और क्या क्या था? पॉजिटिविटी, मेंटल बैलेंस एंड जो भी ज्ञान अभी और 2 मिनट पहले माने. देखो किसी के सीड का तो बना होगा, कहीं तो बना होगा. सो ये जो एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स है ना, ये इसको पेड़ नहीं बना सकते. इसके पेड़ बनने का अपना एक प्रोसेस है. I thank you so much. I'll answer that question also. Right? Hold on. So what you mean to say is कि रोस्टेड है इसलिए नहीं बनेगा. अच्छा. So ये जो सीड है ना, इसका अपना एक रोल है. ये जितना मर्जी हम यहाँ बैठ के मोटिवेशन की और जो भी अभी हम बातें कर रहे हैं ना, क्लैरिटी, ये वो, इन सब से ये पेड़ नहीं बनने वाला है. दिस सीड हैज टू गेट इनटू अ प्रोसेस टू बिकम अ ट्री. This seed has to get through a tough process to become a tree. This seed needs to get inside the soil. Right? So this seed has to change the place where it is. तो ये मेरे हाथ में नहीं बन सकता. So at the first place, it has to break through to grow through. तो सबसे पहले तो इसको टूटना पड़ेगा, तभी ये बन पाएगा. ठीक है? And this is a metaphor for all of you. ठीक है? जब इसको एक बार हम जमीन में डाल देंगे, तो क्या ये पेड़ बन जाएगा? No. What else do we need? Water, sunlight. What else? Air. We need climatic conditions. We have to discipline. We have to discipline this with, proportionate amount of water, proportionate amount of sunlight, right? And a good quality air. That's how, with this kind of a discipline, this will get into a tree. And the story would not only end here. It's not only that you make your life disciplined. It's not only if you break through, you'll achieve your goals. Your attitude needs to be at place. सीड के ग्रो करने में अपना वक्त लगेगा. If you're thinking wonders to happen next day, forget it. It will take its own time. You need to be patient. And you need to be patient का मतलब ये नहीं है कि सो जाओ, अब जब होगा तब देखी जाएगी, उस दिन उठ के देखेंगे. Patience followed by persistence. You have to continue work towards it. Continue to work towards it. Before I open for questions, the last thing. If given a choice, I would have come up with a bamboo seed here. Now, why did I pick and choose a coffee seed? Because coffee has healing properties. The fragrance to most of the people is very, very soothing. And when we talk about pranic healing, they say that this has a lot of positivity also. So I thought probably this would be a good thing for you to keep to yourself, right? Just as a reminder. क्योंकि जिंदगी में ना हम भूल बहुत जल्दी जाते हैं. याददाश्त का जो हमारा ब्रैकेट है ना वो बहुत ही छोटा है. शायद अगर याद दिला सके, right? So why did I say that I wanted to come up with a bamboo seed, right? There's a bamboo tree called Chinese bamboo. Known about it? Heard about it? Yes. Who's going to tell me what happens with the Chinese bamboo?
ये 4 साल तक ग्रो नहीं करता उतना, और उसके बाद 5 साल में सबसे बड़ा.
Absolutely perfect. So what is the story of a Chinese bamboo is that you have to sow the seed into the soil and you have to look after your seed, right? Not for a day, not for a week, not for a month, not for a year, not for 2 years, not for 3 years, not for 4 years, and not even for 5 years. Till 5 years you need to maintain your persistency, you need to maintain your patience, and you have to follow discipline for that bamboo seed to break up, to go through. लेकिन इन 5 सालों में आप जमीन खोदकर ये नहीं देख सकते कि वो सीड ने स्प्राउट किया है कि नहीं किया. तो आप कहाँ पे अपने एफर्ट्स डाल रहे हो, probably you have no clue, but then you cannot say no to it. You have to walk through it, you have to strive to it, and you have to really look after this seed for 5 years. And after 5 years, when this shoots up, right, it has the capacity, it is the tallest tree, right? It can go up to 90 feet, just in 5 weeks. That means 2.5 feet per day. 2.5 feet each day. My question to all of you is, so is it like that the tree reaches the height of 90 feet in 5 weeks?
No.
Is that the growth of the tree?
No.
What is the growth of the tree then?
The patience. Those
5 years, 5 weeks is where the growth of the tree is. 5 साल 5 हफ्तों के बाद वो 90 फीट का होता है. और जब कोई चीज इतनी ऊंची खड़ा होना चाहती है ना, तो सबसे पहले उसे अपनी जड़ें मजबूत करनी होती हैं. For 5 years, the tree is doing nothing but building in, strong roots. You have these 2 years by your side, right, to build up your roots, and your roots will decide how high will you stand in a corporate. At this point in time, sitting here feeling motivated is one part of the story, but तुम अपनी कर्म भूमि में जाकर क्या करोगे ना, that will decide your future. तुम अपनी कर्म भूमि में जाकर क्या करोगे ना, that will decide your future. That is going to decide your future. So prepare yourself for that. Have your goals at place. जब कल कोई आकर क्लास में ये पूछे ना, what do you want to achieve in life? Your hand has to go without even a thought. The goal needs to clear. तुम ही को नहीं पता तुम्हें अचीव क्या करना है. Who's going to help you? What can madam do into it, or what can I do into it? Have some focus. Have something to work towards. मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि मुझे जाना कहाँ है, तो मैं जाऊंगा कहाँ? I don't know. गाड़ी में बैठ के कहाँ जाऊं? ऐसे ही कहीं भी. Then you keep roaming around. Then don't blame anybody. Don't blame anybody then towards the end. So even if your goal is not clear, start working on it. Start to identify what you want for yourself and start working in that direction. And have, follow the technique which was the Japanese technique of beginner's mindset. have the same enthusiasm every day so that you become an enthusiastic person. Tomorrow when you go to the corporate, you have to prepare yourself. ये attitude वहाँ पर नहीं चलेगा. This will not work. At this point in time, the most important thing is that you have to work upon yourself to get corporate ready. Then what is the need of the corporate will definitely tell you. You'll keep listening, the need of the corporate day in, day out. We are there, we're going to train you that. But what you need at the coming 2 years is very, very important for all of you to know. If those 2 students, despite all odds, could do it, believe you me, I don't even find one single flaw sitting here. You all can do it. And that's all that I had to say to all of you. And I am open to all the questions that you have. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, please. पता है ये सबसे फेवरेट पार्ट होता है. पता है क्यों फेवरेट पार्ट होता है? पूछूं ना पूछो, साथने वाला क्या सोचेगा, वो क्या सोचेगा. When we talk about attitude, drop this attitude right here itself. It is very, very important. यार एक बात बताओ, हम यहाँ करने क्या आए हैं? Why have we all come here to the college? Why? What for? तो learn करने का क्या तरीका होता है? To ask, to make mistakes. That's absolutely okay. Probably on this journey where you want to be a little ahead in time. If you will not even ask your questions, तो फिर वो YouTube वाला पढ़ा तो रहा है, उसी से पढ़ लो ना जाके. सब कुछ ही पढ़ा रहे हैं ना. पैंडेमिक में तो सब कुछ ही. Why do we have teachers? They are there to clear your doubts. They can help you, clear your mind. अब तुमको टेंशन साथ वाले की लगी हुई है और यहाँ और है. अभी तो दोस्ती यारी भी नहीं हुई, पहले ही इंप्रेशन खराब हो जाएगा. यही चल रहा है ना दिमाग में. But that is not needed. यार ज्यादा से ज्यादा ना तुम्हारा सवाल सुन के ना कोई हंस देगा. That's all about it. रोएगा कोई नहीं. Nobody is going to cry. So even if the other person is going to smile, you go to add on karmas. भगवान फल देगा. ठीक है? It is very, very important to ask. Madam, can we get used sheets? Yes. A4 sheets. Just one for each individual. Quickly. Very good afternoon. पहले ये बताओ अभी तक वेट किसकी कर रहे थे? Be very, if you are, now the corporate culture will come in. Now the corporate culture will come in. Whenever you come up with something or whenever you have a thought, you need to learn how to answer. Very, very important. And learn to be honest in your answers. Because वो जो वहाँ बैठे हैं ना, उनको सब पता है. तुम्हारे जैसे ना हर साल हजारों आते हैं. ठीक है? तो वहाँ जाके रब दा वास्ता है. ठीक है? मतलब झूठ ना बोलना. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Try to be as honest. People will respect your honesty. Yes, gentlemen.
If you are my question is, if you are an introverted person, how can you be better at communication?
A very good question. If you are an introverted, please sit down. Anybody here who's an introvert as well? तो ये क्वेश्चन पूछना जरूरी नहीं था. जो नहीं देती जवाब. ठीक है क्या नहीं मैंने जब पहले सब पूछा नहीं तो फिर नहीं देती फिर जवाब. दूसरा क्वेश्चन याद रखना क्वेश्चन.
You just said कि we should be 1% better. So I just didn't get from where to start to be a better. Like, what to change actually.
I'll come back to you also. Gentlemen, give something. Use anything. Okay. Quickly keep one and pass the rest. Keep one and pass the rest. Keep one and pass the rest. And if there are spare sheets, please give it back. Okay. सबको मिल गई? Everyone has one sheet. Show it to me, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you want to do exactly what I am doing. Nobody is going to disturb left, right, any which ways, and you are going to just do, right? Listen attentively. Am I clear? लिखना नहीं है कुछ भी. ठीक है? लिखना नहीं है कुछ भी.
Yes.
Hold your sheet in your hand. I'll repeat myself again. लेफ्ट नहीं देखना, राइट नहीं देखना, जो मैं कह रही हूँ उसको सुनना है और वो करना है quickly as possible. Fold your sheet into one half. Right? Okay. Take out the first right. Take the first left. Right? Fold your sheet again. Take out the center. Fold it again. Take the first right. Take the first left. And you are done. That's it. Okay. हो गया? How many of you are sure that my paper would just look like yours? Okay, we have one sure piece. Second, open it. You open it. भैया तुम्हारा आपस में तो मिल रहा है.
Ma'am, you too.
So what else do we have? Wow. Okay, same. Okay, मैडम ने मास्क बनाया है. What else? Okay. Very good. So you know, this is, believe you me, this is no victory challenge that we are playing here. This was just to tell you as a, you know, how, you know, ये ऐसा क्यों हुआ that you know सबके अलग अलग है. Why did this happen? पर्सनालिटीज अलग अलग हैं. ये ऐसा इसलिए हुआ क्योंकि हम में से किसी ने भी बीच में ये नहीं पूछा कि मैडम कौन सा लेफ्ट या कौन सा राइट, होल्ड कहाँ करना है और कहाँ से लेना है. दिस इज द पावर ऑफ आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस. व्हेन यू डोंट आस्क क्वेश्चंस यू डू नॉट हैव द क्लैरिटी ऑफ व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. यू फील द पर्सन हु सिटिंग नेक्स्ट टू यू इज मोर ट्रस्टवर्दी. या उसके पास तुम्हारे से ज्यादा दिमाग है तो उससे पूछ लोगे, उसने सुना ही कुछ नहीं है. But he wants to maintain in his ego, he will give you some kind of an answer. And that's where you will all land up. Coming to your question at the first place, in case you are an introvert, you know, how can one try to be extrovert? So at the first place, why do you feel that you are do you think that you are an introvert person? What is that one skill that you need to work upon to be, you know, more extrovert?
Better communication.
So how can you communicate better?
Making new friends, meeting new people.
So how would you start with it? What can you do for that? हो गई प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व. तुमने अपनी प्रॉब्लम खुद सॉल्व कर ली, मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. एंड बिलीव यू मी, दैट इज द ओनली वे यू नो हाउ यू कैन डू इट. दैट इज नो अदर वे. हम जो भी करना चाहते हैं, वेयर एवर वी वॉन्ट टू बी बेटर इन लाइफ, वी हैव टू वर्क इन द सेम डायरेक्शन. You know, उसको करना पड़ेगा, उस स्किल को डेवलप करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट वुड रिक्वायर अस टू गेट इनटू अ प्रोसेस. मैं पिछले 20 सालों से इंट्रोवर्ट हूँ और अब एक्सट्रोवर्ट होना चाहता हूँ, तो मैं एक्सट्रोवर्ट नहीं हो जाऊंगा. आई ओनली टर्न आउट टू बी एक्सट्रोवर्ट व्हेन आई एम रेडी टू चेंज. And for me to change is going to be difficult, but that is how I am going to get into. I am simply going to make more friends. Talk more, you know, not in the classroom, right? Amongst the friends. And that's how slowly and gradually, it will not happen in one day. You have this habit, you know, or you have this personality past 19 years or 20 years. So allow yourself at least 20 months. But that would require you to practice and work upon it each day. Katie, to your question. Come on.
My question is, how to start for a change?
Do you know what do you need to change? Okay. So, when you know that what is the thing that you need to change, can you see a roadmap going in? Okay, if you are here, you know, let's assume you are here and you want to be here, right? यही है ना, मैं यहाँ हूँ और मुझे यहाँ पहुँचना है. अब मैं यहाँ से यहाँ कैसे पहुँचूंगी? कैसे पहुँचेंगे यहाँ से यहाँ? अच्छा एक बात बताओ, मैं दिल्ली में हूँ और मुझे दिल्ली से जयपुर जाना है, ठीक है? बाहर अंधेरा ही अंधेरा है, बहुत अंधेरा है. कहीं कोई लाइट, स्ट्रीट लाइट नहीं जल रही, कुछ नहीं जल रहा, बाहर बारिश आ रही है, आंधी आ रहा है, तूफान आ रहा है, ठीक है। बस एक चीज है, मेरी गाड़ी की जो है ना, मेरे गाड़ी में नेविगेशन है, ठीक है, और मेरी गाड़ी की हेडलाइट्स ऑन है। मेरी गाड़ी की हेडलाइट्स ऑन है बस भरी रात अंधेरे में, तो क्या मैं दिल्ली से जयपुर पहुंच जाऊंगी कि नहीं पहुंच जाऊंगी? जब हम अपने गोल्स को अचीव करने के लिए शुरुआत करते हैं ना, तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हमें पूरे का पूरा रास्ता दिखाई दे जाए। मंजिल का पता होना जरूरी है यार, रास्ता तो खुद ब खुद बनेगा। चलना तो शुरू करो। बारिश को ही देखते रहोगे, हाय बारिश बारिश, अंधेरा अंधेरा, लाइट नहीं है, स्ट्रीट लाइट नहीं है, ओहो ये ओहो करते रहोगे, यू विल नॉट गेट इनटू द कार। गेट इनटू द कार, इग्नाइट इट, पुश, लगाओ, उसमें एक्सेलरेटर दबाओ, और जैसे जैसे गाड़ी की लाइट आगे जाती जाएगी, वैसे वैसे रास्ता आगे बनता चला जाएगा। द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग इज टू टेक द फर्स्ट स्टेप। हम प्रिपरेशन में ही लगे रहते हैं। कितनी बार ऐसा होता है ना, हम अपने घर से पूरी तैयारी से अपनी गाड़ी में निकलते हैं, राइट, स्टिल थिंग्स गो रॉन्ग, इट स्टार्ट्स टू रेन इन बिटवीन, राइट, गाड़ी का पेट्रोल खत्म हो सकता है, गाड़ी पंचर हो सकती है, गाड़ी गड्ढे में जा सकती है, बट डिस्पाइट ऑल ऑड्स we still manage to reach where we want to reach. The same thing is going to happen in life also, my dear. You just start whatever at this point in time you feel. The clarity of the goal needs to be there. Where you are needs to be clear. And then you have to just take the first step, whatever comes to your conscious at this point in time. The light, the headlight of the car will keep showing you the path. And you reach your goals. Anybody else? Yes, lady. हमारे यहाँ एक चीज बड़ी फेमस है और हम सब में ही है वो, हम सोच के घर पूरा कर लेते हैं। सोचने में कमी नहीं लगाते, बड़े ध्यान से सोचते हैं, सोचते रहते हैं, फिर लगता है हो गया, उसी में थक जाते हैं। what you need to do is ready to get into action. ज्यादा मत सोचो, बस ये पता होना चाहिए मुझे जाना कहाँ है, मुझे पहुंचना कहाँ है, ये मालूम है। You even have an iota or some clarity, चाहे वो पूरी क्लियर ना हो, अभी हेजी भी हो, लेकिन in case you come to this college, right? If you know what you are going to be doing for next 2 years, इतना तो मालूम है ना कि अगले 2 साल तक क्या करना है। So ये एक एंड पाथ आपको मिल गया है 2 साल का। अब 2 साल के बाद मैं क्या करूंगी, ये जर्नी में निकल आएगा यार। अभी तो इस जर्नी को ब्यूटीफुल करो, इस जर्नी में डिसिप्लिन लेके आओ, इस जर्नी में एटीट्यूड ठीक करो, बी रेडी फॉर चेंज एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म योरसेल्फ इन दिस प्रोसेस, गेट इनटू एक्शन। सोचना नहीं है ज्यादा। आज वो ऐसी कहावत नहीं बनी ना, आप तो कल तो परसों कर लेंगे यार, जब जीना है परसों। कल करे सो आज कर, आज करे सो अब, पल में पल रहे होएगी, बहुरी करेगा कब, डोंट वेट फॉर क्रिसमस, कल करेंगे। अब ना अभी 3:45 हो रहे हैं, 4 बजे बैठूंगा, 4 बजे कोई और आ जाएगा, बॉयफ्रेंड का फोन आ जाएगा, बस करते रहो फिर जो करना है। गेट इन टू एक्शन लेडी, गेट इन टू एक्शन। नेक्स्ट, any other question we have here? Yes, gentlemen, please.
काम करने से पहले कई सारे प्लान निकाले कि अगर ये काम नहीं किया तो इस तरीके से, तो मतलब पॉजिटिव देखने की जगह मैं नेगेटिव ज़्यादा फोकस करता हूँ, उसके प्लान भी जो भी तो उसको कैसे चेंज करें।
क्यों देखते हो, मतलब why do you look at the negative side of it? So what is that one thing that you can, what is your name? Ali. So what is that one thing that Ali needs to change to look at the brighter side of the picture? So what Ali needs to do to be confident? What Ali needs to try?
Very focused and किसी भी काम में दिमाग लगाकर डिस्ट्रैक्ट ना हो।
तो अली को वो फोकस लाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? सो क्या अली ये कर सकता है? जिंदगी में आसान क्या है? पैदा होना सबसे ज्यादा मुश्किल काम था, वो बात और है, हमें याद नहीं है. टू बी हियर इन द वूम वाज द मोस्ट डिफिकल्ट थिंग. नर्क है यहाँ, राइट, बट वी डोंट रिमेम्बर. ठीक है, तो डिफिकल्ट है, चैलेंजिंग है. यू नो, विवेकानंद कहते हैं, यू नो, जिस टाइम लाइफ में ऐसा लगे ना कि अब जिंदगी में कोई चैलेंज नहीं है, एंड नाउ आई कैन एंजॉय माई लाइफ टू द कोर, यू नो, उस दिन समझ लेना तुम ग्रोथ के पाथ पे नहीं हो. चैलेंजेस है, इसका मतलब ग्रोथ है. We all have challenges, and the beauty, Ali, is to, you know, deal with those challenges. Probably you take too many things at one time, and then you think over this also, this also, this also. At one point in time, focus your attention on probably one thing, and try to have, you know, a kind of an attitude where you start to look at the brighter side of the picture. Just have this habit. Is there something that you are thankful about in your life? What all? Okay, your parents is something that you are thankful about. Your brother is very supportive. That is something that you are very thankful about. What else are you thankful about in life? The resources that you have, you are very thankful about it. What else do you have? You have your friends. That is what, you know, you are very thankful about. तुम इतने गुड लुकिंग हो, इतने हैंडसम हो, यू नो, तुम्हारे पास 2 आंखें हैं जो देख सकती हैं, 2 हाथ हैं जो काम कर सकते हैं, 2 पैर हैं जिससे चल सकते हैं. यू ब्लेस्ड विद द मोस्ट एंड मोर ऑफ एनीथिंग इन लाइफ. सब कुछ है तुम्हारे अंदर, सब कुछ अंदर है. यू नो, स्टार्ट practicing this feeling of gratitude every day. Just in the morning and probably at night, just, you know, just look at all the things that you are blessed with and put across your gratitude. You know, your clarity would start to come from there. And one task at a time. And look at the brighter side. Just look at the brighter side of the picture. कि इसमें अच्छा क्या है. Try. We might meet again. If it doesn't work, we'll see what else. But I'm very sure if you can just do this. But ये religiously करना है. ये नहीं आज रात को किया, सुबह तक तो याद ही नहीं करना क्या था. मैडम हुआ ही नहीं कुछ. Yes, anybody else has any question? That's all that we have here for. Okay, thank you so much everyone for your patience, for your time, and I wish you all the best of luck for the next 2 years that you have here. May Almighty bless you all to fulfill whatever dreams you have. May those dreams get converted into